Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to take a look at our simple budget planner, designed to help you create a personal budget in a concise yet comprehensive way. Let's dive in and explore the features of this powerful budgeting tool. Our budget planner consists of one main tab where you will be working on your budget. To help you get started, we have also added a quick start guide, and if you would like to customize the planner, you can do a one-time setup on the Categories tab. The Budget tab is where you will be recording all your budget and actual spending and income, and it's the tab you'll keep using regularly. Let's start by taking a closer look at the Budget tab. Here you can pick a start and end date for your budget. These dates can be any period of time, whether it's a week, month, year, or any other time frame that suits your preference. The transactions you record below in the transaction form will only be picked up if they fall within this time period. You can also duplicate this tab if you want to use it for multiple shorter time periods, and you can select your preferred currency by simply picking it from the drop-down menu. Our budget planner supports every currency. Additionally, you can add your starting balance, which is the amount you have when you start using this budget. This way the planner can include it in the calculations. Next, you can define your financial goals for this budget period. These goals will help you direct your decisions and define where you want to be by the end of the budget period. As the last initial step, you can set your expected spendings and incomes for each category and subcategory. Simply add the respective amounts, and they will be summed up per category and for the whole budget period. While it's a good idea to set up these budgeted amounts initially, you can always update them later on. Once you're done with the budgeting setup, you can start capturing all your income and expenses in the transaction form below. Just add the date, amount and category. For the date, you can double-click and pick from the calendar. The category, select it from the drop-down or type some letters to see fewer elements in the list before selecting. You can also add notes to clarify an item. The planner will automatically sum up these transactions for you and fill out the actual columns of each category. They will also be computed for total amounts for the given category and for the whole budgeting period. Our budget planner also provides a set of useful tools to analyze your spendings and income, and make informed budgeting decisions based on your data. There is a quick info panel at the top left corner that gives you the most important numbers of income and money left to spend whenever you open the budget. The spendable funds are also shown in an info chart, allowing you to see your progress within the budget. We have also added a comparison graph for the budget and actual spendings and income, helping you better control and identify any differences. The income composition chart is useful if you have multiple types of income and want to see which one is making the most impact. Below that, you can find a breakdown of all your spending during the budget period, which lets you see where your money is going. To help you further improve your budget, we have also included a tool to find the top spending for each category. Simply pick a category from the drop-down, and you will see the top 11 spendings for that category, sorted from the highest amount to the lowest amount. One of the handy features of the budgeting spreadsheet is the checkboxes on the left-hand side of the Bills Overview section. These checkboxes allow you to keep track of whether your bills have been paid or not. Simply check the box next to the bill or bills that you have paid, and the respective bill will be crossed out and grayed out. This makes it easy to visually identify which bills have been paid and which ones still need to be paid, helping you stay on top of your bill payments and avoid missed payments. If you would like to use the same budgeting spreadsheet for multiple periods, such as for different months or years, you can easily create duplicates of the tab. To do this, click on the arrow next to the tab name and select Duplicate. This will create an exact copy of the tab, including all the formulas and formatting. You can then start entering your financial data for the next period in the duplicated tab, following the same process as you did for the original tab. This allows you to use the same budgeting template for different time periods, making it convenient and efficient for tracking your finances over time. Finally, let's take a look at the Categories page. Here you have the flexibility to customize the subcategories within each category to best match your needs. Please note that the titles of the main categories, such as income, bills, expenses, savings, debt clearing, and investments, cannot be changed. However, anything within the boxes can be easily customized. You can change, remove, or add new subcategories up until the boxes are filled. We recommend making any changes or removals to existing subcategories before adding any bills, incomes, or other expenses. This is because if you have already added a payment or income and then change or remove the corresponding subcategory, it may cause an error in the spreadsheet. On the other hand, if you have not used a subcategory, you can remove it at any time. And don't worry, you can always add new subcategories without any issues, as long as there is still space in the respective box. Managing your finances can be made easier with the help of this budgeting spreadsheet. From tracking your bills and income, to monitoring your expenses and savings, this tool provides a comprehensive overview of your financial situation. The checkboxes make it convenient to mark bills as paid, and the ability to customize categories allows you to tailor the spreadsheet to your specific needs. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to use the budgeting spreadsheet. We hope you found it helpful in organizing your finances. If you have any questions or suggestions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Happy budgeting!